was getting there checking in on a quick little update, man. Well, I don't know. I just need to stop saying that. I got an update, not an update. I got a how-to on wilwood brakes. Everybody don't want the GM brakes. Wilwood, that's fine. As long as you're going with the big brake movement, cool with me. Some people that like the GM, it's cheaper for them. Some people, it's not cheaper for them. They rather prefer the wilwood. Get everything shipped to their house in one nice big pretty box. But this is what we got. Part number 140-12837. It's 6 pistons fronts with a 2.19 flash going out. 12.19 diameter rotor, vented rotor, drill and slide it. That's what we got right there. With that, pretty much, if you watch my Brembro D.I.Y, the Brembro video, or the box Chevy, the wilwood pretty much both up the same way. You gotta cut the spindle. Focus. You gotta cut the spindle off just like how I showed in my other videos. Retap these two holes. I'm not sure what you retap these two holes to. I had to read and see, but what I'll let it be in the video. Right now I got the spindles cleaning up. Hold on. Right now I got the spindles getting soaked in the oven cleaner. Look how much hard oil and dirt I had to scrape off of, man. So I got these soaking. I probably soak these for the next 2 hours. If they so dirty, I probably got to do two cleaning sessions on them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna soak them, pick them up, put them in the back of the truck. When I go pick the chaps up, I stop at the car wash, pressure wash them, soak them down with oven cleaner again. That's what I use. I usually use the yellow one. It's just whatever one I grab. I haven't really noticed the difference. Only difference I think, this one film free. The yellow one, it's pretty strong, man. It will tickle your nose. My boy Steve Davis, he say the blue stronger. I haven't quite seen the difference. They even got one for barbecue pits. It's for cleaning barbecue pits. I really haven't noticed if it was one stronger than the other, but just know you got to get easy off oven clean if you want to clean any parts. First, that's what you want to do. Clean your spindles first, get them all nice and pretty. You don't want to work with the spindles all nasty. All right, until we fade it back. First, what we're going to do is we're going to install the wheel studs in the billet aluminum hub. There's 2 bolt patterns on here. I think it's a 5x120 and I think it's a 5x5 pattern on here. I'm not sure which one is which, so they don't have no dot or no kind of indication showing which one is which. So I probably I got some wheel adapters I'll sit on here and match it up, but I won't show that part. And the wheel studs right here, they are part number 230-2187. It's the wheel studs. I probably put a little, I'm about to say adhesive promoter, that's paint. I'm about to put a little anti-seize on it just to help it screw down a little better. And then I know that aluminum good for like corrosion, so maybe if you ever have to change the studs, they'll screw right on out. I probably just put a little anti-seize right here on the tip, back in a couple threads to the back. He already owed me some anti-seize already. I had to put on all the bolts on the car, put anti-seize, and the car loads. You must put that on the car loads as long as the warranty. But that's it. We'll fade back when I get all these in, then we'll go to the next step. Over now.
I want you, my candidate, in this district, 14, this is a critical election. And was the state representative for 12 years. That work experience and community service
Okay, YouTube, we faded back. After you get the studs in, you want to torque those down to like 70 foot-pounds of torque. So I probably put it in the vise, or might set it down in the rim for it to hold, and that way I can torque these down to 70 foot-pounds of torque. I think it's 70. Hold on, YouTube. I'm gonna let y'all know in 1 second. Yeah, 77 foot-pounds of torque. Next you're I put a little grease. I rubs a little grease around the race. And you're gonna set the bearing in it, part number 370-0879. Just like you're doing bearing job on a rotor. Just same concept, you're just working with a smaller piece here. You're gonna set the bearing down in there like so. Then you wanna take your, I put a little grease around the seal. You want the seal, you want that groove part to go down. You want this flat part, and you want to tap it down, kind of get it even all the way around, tap it, and tap it down flush all the way around. So that's how you do the bearings, fade back. Truly fade back, man. Now we're gonna do is mount the rotors together. This is the adapter. This is the rotor. You want the rotor to sit down in it, because at first I had it backwards. So they got a little recess. You want this plate to sit down in the rotor. Like in this diagram right here. Hold on. So, like in this diagram right here. See? Kind of hard to tell in the diagram. But you also want this belly part. That's where your hubs sit at. Number 2, the instructions say item 9, part number 23-11934 is wrong. I kept looking, checking the box. I'm finna get on the horn, let them know, man. Y'all jacked me out some bolts. Where they at? But so then I went to I look at the size, 516-18. So I checked all the bolts. Focus. This here right here. And it was 16 bolts. It's supposed to be 16 bolts. So once I knew that was the count, 16 in the thread, that was it. But it's definitely wrong part number. I don't know if they changed it and forgot to change it on instructions or what, but these are bolts right here. So I need to get some Loctite. I don't want these to bag out, man. So I'm trying to go to Home Depot. Run the AutoZone right quick. Get some Loctite. And fade back once I get them all bolted in. Talk down the specs, and fade back on the next step, over and out. All right, YouTube, we faded back. Had to go to not Home Depot, I'm sorry, AutoZone. Give me some thread lock, man. Stuff there high for $15, man. So you're gonna put your little bit on the threads. You just want to put your little dab on the threads. You don't have to go all the way up on the threads. Oh, Nelly. Just a little bit on the threads. About that much on the threads. Focus. You can go up on just a smudging more. Oh, that's good enough right there. And through all of them like that with the thread lock. I didn't have the thread lock in the last video. And then we'll do the last part, mounting the hub to the rotor. And I probably conclude this video, man. And then the second part is be modifying the spindle over and out. Alright, YouTube, faded back. Just want to show y'all all up like so. Then I come back with the torque wrench. think the truck said 45, but I went 50. I went 50.
I try.
Yeah. Got my little helper here, man. Oh, hold on. I did all of them. No, here, right here. You gotta stop now when it's here. One more. All right.
Sorry.
Good job.
Look.
Almost failed. All right, hold that. Let me see.
Look, that's a wild piece.
I think we got all of them. Say what's up, YouTube? So what's up, YouTube?
What's up, YouTube?
Give me that, boy.
Whoa.
All right, YouTube, fade it back.
Tiny.
What up, YouTube? We faded back. Another wilwood error. Item number 10. Supposed to be part number 230-11239. Part number not matching up, but it's the hub bearings, bolts. 38-16, about an inch long. Button head bolt. So these it right here. Gonna screw these. That's the hub. You're gonna screw those into the hub like that, and then that's it as far as with the rotor and hub assembly. I'm gonna pack this with grease before I slide it onto the spindle, and that's done deal on assembling the hub and the rotor, YouTube. I think these get torqued down to 45 pounds. Oh, I over-torqued these, but it's okay. These are supposed to be torqued to 25. I was looking at the wrong thing. Yeah, these are supposed to be torqued to 25. I torqued them to like 45, 50. Hey, can't go wrong with that. And these torqued to 45. So torque these to 45, and that'll be it. Over and up.